Hello, this is Attorney Layde. I'm providing a message for all of Leyde Parra's clients that currently have a pending adjustment of status application before USCIS. The reason for this video is because on Friday, May 22nd, USCIS released a major policy update that will have an impact on most, if not all, adjustment of status processes currently pending in the United States. This is an application for a green card for somebody who is here in the United States and perhaps is married to a U.S. citizen or has one of their children filing a petition for them, and they're trying to apply to get their legal status here in the country without having to depart. This has been a major component, a major process for immigration over the course of the last 50 years. It's the most common way that individuals receive their green cards. And unfortunately, the Trump administration has introduced a new policy to make this significantly more challenging. Essentially, the policy memo that was released on Friday states that adjustment of status should be the exception and not the rule, and that most individuals attempting to get lawful status in the United States through a petition from a family member should be required to depart the country and get a visa in their home country and then return to the United States. This is obviously very challenging for a lot of clients because for many individuals, departing the country in this fashion would lead to an extended time abroad. It would be more expensive. It would possibly require additional applications such as an immigration waiver. And furthermore, it would be more expensive. And for some individuals, it would require a departure of years outside the country. This is obviously big news, and it has the potential to have a big impact on the immigration system in this country. However, there's a few things I do want to mention. First of all, this memo does not say that adjustment of status is prohibited. There is still the possibility for individuals who have pending applications to have their adjustments approved. It appears that the government is going to want some additional information before they'd be willing to approve these types of cases. Things like information about why the individual overstayed a visa, perhaps, or why they're not able to depart the country and come back in. They also may be looking at additional positive factors they want to see for the applicant before approving the case. Things like ties to the United States, hardship to family if they were not able to remain here, the existence of things like tax payments and work history and things of that nature. So there's obviously a big change, and it's very possible that this new policy may be stopped or struck down by courts or in some ways reduced by the Trump administration as sort of time goes on. However, it's impossible to know exactly how this is going to end right now. So we just want to release this video for our clients to let you know that we are going to be reviewing all of our pending adjustment of status applications at the present time. We're going to be communicating with all of our clients who have a case in process. We're going to be talking with them individually about how this is going to impact your case, what potential evidence or other information you may want to be preparing to be as ready as possible for a decision on your adjustment of status case, and what happens if the government does decide that you need to depart the United States, how that might change your process. So we're going to be communicating with clients individually about this. We're going to be reaching out to people first who already have interviews scheduled, and then we'll be working backwards for people who filed, at the earliest, and then working up to the most recent to make sure that we can try to give our clients all the information they need as soon as possible. So you will be having a conversation with a member of our staff about this, and we will be here ready, willing, and able to assist you in moving forward with this. It remains to be seen how it's going to be enforced, but I do think we have a great chance for many of our clients of still being able to get the benefit that they need, and we'll certainly be willing to work with people to try to figure out alternative solutions for those who can't. So let's take it one day at a time. Our firm will be in touch. We really appreciate having all of you as clients, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Our phone number is 414-488-1200. And we will be communicating with everyone individually as time goes on. So, and we'll certainly be providing updates as there may be changes to this policy as well. So thank you for your attention, and we look forward to continue serving you. Thank you very much.